Welcome everyone. In the class of physical education for class 11th, we will carry on the unit 8 fundamentals of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology in sports. In this chapter, we will discuss on the respiratory system. In the respiratory system, we will discuss today the respiratory muscles. The respiratory muscles are of two types. Number one is diaphragm. Number two is intercostal muscles. Diaphragm is a dome shaped sheet of skeletal muscles and separates thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. The contraction of the diaphragm moves the muscle downward into the abdomen. This enlarges the thoracic cake. It results in decreasing the pressure in the thoracic cavity. Second one is intercostal muscle. The intercostal muscle is situated between the ribs which can lift the ribs upward and downwards. So these are the two types of the muscles. Now we will come on the process of breathing. The process of breathing is twofold process like that inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling, due to the contraction of intercostal muscles, the ribs cage moves upward and the diaphragm moves downward, resulting into the reduction of the air pressure in the lungs. This causes atmospheric air to move into the lungs. This is the process of inhaling. Next one has come exhaling. Exhaling, the upward movement of the diaphragm and the relaxation of intercostal muscles causes decrease in the thoracic cavity, which creates increased pressure in the lungs and the air moves out. This is called the exhaling. Next one is mechanism of respiration. The respiration is considered as interchange of gases. This interchange takes place in lungs as well as in tissues. Next one is pulmonary respiration or external respiration. In this process, oxidation of blood takes place. The oxygenated blood comes into contact with air sacs. Oxygen passes across from air sacs to the pulmonary capillaries, whereas carbon dioxide moves into air sacs. Next one is tissue respiration. In this process, tissue cells consumes oxygen to enable oxidation process and the blood received carbon dioxide in exchange. So through that we have to know about the inhaling or exhaling or the mechanism of the respiration. During rest we breathe approximately 16 times in a minute. We exhale about 50 ml to 3000 ml of air in each breath. If there is increasing the carbon dioxide in a blood, the rate of breathing is increased. The carbon dioxide concentration will rise whenever the body is engaged in physical activity. The rate of breathing can increase up to 50 times a minute. The age factor and level of fitness decide the efficiency of respiration system or respiratory system. Breathing rate normally is 15 to 20 breaths per minute, but it may increase up to 40 breaths per minute. Tidal volume regarding it, normal amount of air exhale in single breath, it is approximately 50 ml to 3000 ml in normal adult. Vital capacity, it is the maximum air exchange after deep breath. So these are the some important points. On the behalf of that, we have to be say this is the mechanism of the respiratory system. So on the behalf of that, there are the some important process through the inhaling or exhaling of the air or oxygen. We have to say the respiratory system in our body is working in a very important way. Thank you.